to experience the divine in our lives, to actually experience the presence of the divine. In essence, it's to know, because you were created to know. ما خلقت الإنس والجن إلا ليعبدون أي ليعرفون كما قال ابن عباس. To know me. And to know him is to love him, and to love him is to worship him. Sincerity in your God-directedness. It's sincerity in your inner direction towards your Lord. That you will go back to the divine presence from whence you came. Plato believed that what this world was an arena to remember what we already knew in the world of archetypes. Before we came into this world, we knew truths. And this world we enter into forgetfulness. And what we have to do in this world is wake up to what we already knew. And this is the allegory of the cave, of realizing that there's a journey to be made. We have to get out of the shadow show, of the illusion. That we were actually created for mushahada. We're created for witnessing. Like our existence is there to witness the divine. And that's why the essence of the human being is shahada, which means witnessing. And that is what we do. We abstract. This is the incredible gift that God has given human beings, is the ability to symbolize, to abstract, to understand abstraction, signs. We are by our nature sign makers and sign readers. The single most important thing that we have, and the gift that we've been given, is not so much reasoning, but it is simple apprehension, it's comprehension, it's understanding. And that comes from our ability to abstract. And abstraction is a uniquely human thing. Animals, as far as we know, do not abstract, whereas the humans have the ability to abstract. And that ability is what enables you to abstract the divine from the material world. And that's why the material world is the greatest sign of God. People that are looking for proofs for the divine, the proof is all around them. It's right in front of them. And that's why that people that deny God are called blind in the Quran. It's a profound spiritual blindness to deny that there is a reality behind this that is infinite, that is conscious, that it has knowledge, it has will, and it has being. Whether it's a personal God that we find in the Abrahamic faith, or whether it's an impersonal God that is more in the Eastern traditions. Because, you know, Buddhists pray, Hindus pray, they have a different concept. It's a different concept of reality, of the divine. But they still have an understanding that there is transcendent being, that there is reality beyond this. And that is the fitra nature of humans. The Abrahamic expression of that is through the personal God.